season finally here. It is time to start thinking about my favorite part, which is the parties, but more importantly, the food at the parties. So in today's video, we are going to be making refried beans in the Instant Pot. With refried beans, I make a lot of different appetizers, such as 7-layer bean dip, or bean burritos, or even if you just want a basic side of refried beans, salsa, and chips. So it's time to get ready for game season and go spice things up. The first thing we're gonna add is chicken broth. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of dried pinto beans, and these I already washed and made sure there was no rocks or dirt in it. You always have to make sure of that. Just put it in your pot. Now we're going to add 2 garlic cloves, and I actually cut them in half. These are big garlic cloves, and I don't really need to chop it because we're just going to blend it at the end. And 1 onion, and once again, I did not cut it up very finely. I just cut it in quarters. Once again, we are just going to blend it at the end, so it really doesn't matter. And now we're going to add a half of a jalapeno, and these are just sliced. 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a half a teaspoon of Chipotle Seasoning. Some salt, and pepper. And now we're just going to put the lid on and turn it on sealing. So I'm just gonna press the soup broth button and then add 15 minutes to it. So we are gonna cook it for 45 minutes. And then we're gonna let it naturally release for about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been naturally releasing for about 30 minutes. And so I'm just going to press this valve and make sure all the steam is out. Yep. All right, so now we're gonna open it up. That's perfect. And so all we're gonna do is wanna mash them down or blend them. I like to blend them because I like mine creamy. And then it is done. All right, time to give this little bad boy a try. A little sour cream, refried bean, and some cheese. You'd be surprised, but these beans are loaded with flavor. They're so good, and everybody at your football party will love them. And if you have any questions, please comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.